Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Yeah, a little bit of snow melt this afternoon with the sunshine coming out, and some roads are damp, and the net result with the falling temperatures, some patchy black ice. It's not widespread, and it's essentially, secondary roads, walkways and driveways, parking lots, things like that. So be mindful of that overnight through at least early tomorrow morning. We are dry, clear, and obviously cold. A solid 30 degrees colder today compared to yesterday. We take a look at the numbers right now. Chepachet, which is right about here, is at 22. Smithfield, 24. Upper 20s in Providence, 25 in New Bedford. Newport's at 32, and Westerly still above freezing for now. But many areas getting down to the lower 20s during the overnight. A couple of spots may actually get down to 18, 19 degrees. At Oakland Beach and Warwick, skies are clear, 27, so much colder now through at least tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. And as cold as it will be over the next couple of days, hard to believe our next storm, rain and not snow. The reason why, we'll get a spike in the temperature by Saturday afternoon. Temperatures heading up well into the 50s, a soaking rain of 1 to 2 inches. It does dry out on Sunday, but this roller coaster ride of up and down temperatures continues. 60 yesterday, cold today, close to 60 on Saturday, then colder the second half of the weekend. And it's an active weather pattern, actually seeing signs of another storm potential early next week around the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame with both rain and snow. We'll take one day at a time, and we'll show you that in the 7-day forecast. But skies are clear all across New England right now. Our snow from this morning is well offshore. You see these thin, narrow plumes of snow squalls coming off the Great Lakes. These are lake effect snow squalls. In other words, when very cold air passes over the relatively warm waters of the Great Lakes, it actually picks up the moisture from the lake, and it sends it down in the form of snow squalls downstream through upstate New York, even a couple reaching the Berkshires. Nothing around here, but to give you an idea of some of the colder air that's just to our north and west. The leading edge of that cold air right in here, another cold front. So just going to reinforce some of the colder temperatures overnight through tomorrow. You see the temps behind that cold front in the teens and 20s, and that's pretty much our weather over the next 24 to 36 hours. Forecast overnight, skies are clear, moonlit. By tomorrow morning, we're waking up to sunshine starting off between 20 and 25, and even with all-day sun, the best we can do is about 32, 33 degrees for the afternoon high. Tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, we're clear, cold, and dry once again as temperatures fall back into the 20s. Tomorrow morning, sunshine. Watch for some icy spots. Not so much the highways, but mainly some side roads and neighborhood streets, things like that. Starting off in the 20s, and then during the afternoon, lots of sun, dry. But that's it, only about 33 to 34 for the afternoon high. Now, Friday day looks dry, 44 degrees, but by Friday evening and Friday night, we'll bring in some drizzle and some fog, and that will lead to some heavier rain on Saturday. That's our rainstorm, especially Saturday morning. Look at that temp at 56. It cools off. We dry out for Sunday, cold on Monday. Next storm potential early next week on Tuesday, maybe a messy mixture of both rain and some snow. So once again, a very active pattern, both in terms of temperature and precipitation. Not bad tomorrow. Just bundle up.
All right. Thanks, Tony.